how to change SIM card pin on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and then tap on connections. And in here, scroll down and tap on SIM manager. After that, we scroll down and then tap on more SIM settings. Next, tap on SIM card security. And from here, if you turn on lock SIM card, then you'll be able to change your SIM card pin. So from here, tap on change SIM card pin. In here, you have 3 attempts to enter in your current pin. So put in your current SIM pin. After that, you can enter in the new SIM card pin. So here I will put in 1, 2, 3, 4. Then tap on OK. Now enter the new SIM card pin again to confirm it. So I'll put in 1, 2, 3, 4. Then tap on OK. And that's it. We have now successfully changed your SIM card pin. So you can see this time I need to put in 1, 2, 3, 4 to put in the new pin. And then I will change the new pin back to 40. Then tap on OK. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.